Hey y'all, guess what? I'm picking up my keys. I was supposed to go pick up my keys during my lunch, but I just went to work and they ain't had nothing for me. So guess what that means? I'm gonna go pick up my keys for my new apartment, period. So I'm on my way there. My plan is to get my keys. Y'all, I am excited and my skin looks phenomenal. Absolutely great. No filter. Obviously, it's fucking video. No filter, nothing. My skin just looks great. The skin is skinny. Period. But my plan is to go here, get my keys. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour or apartment tour, and then I'm gonna take all this shit that's in this back seat. I'm gonna put it upstairs. I'm gonna clean, sanitize the apartment down, and then I'm gonna cause I got cleaning products and shit too that I bought, and then I'm going to organize my shit in there. Period. And then I'm gonna go back to my apartment now. Well, my old apartment, current, I don't know how to, you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm so excited. I am. Gonna go get these keys. And yeah, I'm gonna holla at y'all when I get there. Hey y'all, finally in my apartment. I am about to show y'all an apartment tour of the apartment. Y'all, we have these lights. They so yellow, but that's okay. I'm gonna change them. But I'm gonna show y'all my apartment. I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all. Yeah, I got y'all in point five. When you first walk in, kitchen over here. Kitchen. You see the silver, the little sparkles. Period. This living room, I don't want to show y'all outside, but living room, and then dining room area, and bathroom this way. Hey, to be honest, I don't know where my rank at. I had that bitch on in the beginning of the video. I don't know where it's at now. My room, closet. Walk in. Yeah, I don't like these yellow lights. This is like another closet. Storage. Probably where my girl gonna go. Closet. And yeah. Nothing too much. But at the same time, it's just gonna be mwah. So yeah, period. New apartment. I'm gonna go downstairs, get the stuff out the car, and then park the car. And yeah, I'll highlight y'all when everything's in the house. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm all the way back to the apartment. I got all the boxes and stuff. I had to stop at my job or whatever, just for them to tell me they don't need me again. But now I'm on my way back to my new apartment. I'm gonna want to put away all the stuff that's there, and I'm gonna unbox these boxes and put up or put away the stuff that I have bought. And then, before I do all of that, I gotta sanitize the apartment down. They said they did it, but you know, you gotta do your own little cleaning on your own. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna holla back at y'all when I get to the apartment. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I brought the stuff in. It's not like all of it, but it's the stuff I felt like bringing. And now I'm gonna sanitize and get everything together. I had to go pick up my roommate so she can come over here and fill out her shit and get her apartment keys. Cause we moved into the same complex. We just don't live together anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna holla at y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all knew I wasn't. Y'all knew. Do it every time I come on this motherfucker looking crazy, and then I say I'm gonna get back at y'all, and I never get back at y'all. But I am back. I'm trying to figure out what to set y'all up. I'm really finna set y'all up right there. I'm making my tea for the day. Gotta have my tea. I'm hungry, but I don't know what to eat. Per usual. Might eat this applesauce. Isn't bad. A couple of scoops on her. Do not call me fat. But this applesauce be busting. I only needed a couple scoops. I need more than that. I need to eat for real. But I only got time for a couple scoops. I'm gonna go. Oh! Wow. Then dropped this motherfucking tea all over myself. That was just great, actually. I didn't drop it, I spilled it. I thought it was closed. It's not. How much spilled out? Not that much. Always something. Never fails. Never fails to amaze me. But yeah, I'm moving into the new spot. I'm not gonna give y'all a house tour and shit. One, because this is not how it's gonna be set up. That's one. Oh, this how it's gonna be set up, but this is not like my furniture. Like furniture I got now. Okay, I'm back. What I was saying was, the furniture that I got now is from my old apartment. I'm getting all new furniture, so it's gonna be like no point to give y'all. Well, I might, and I don't even think I showed y'all the other apartment. I'm still gonna do that, or I still plan on doing that when it's empty. I'm sorry I didn't give y'all finished or furnished apartment tour on that apartment, because it was nice. It was very nice, actually. I fucked with it, but I just never got to it. And now I moved out, and I'm really not gonna get to it. How unfortunate. But I'm on my way to work, so I'm gonna holla at y'all. I should have put some concealer. I got a dark mark. Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna holla at y'all whenever that may be. Bye. I'm back. This is why I'm whispering, because I don't want nobody to hear me. But this is why I don't come to work. I got here, keep in mind, it's 10:45. I got here at 10:40. Nobody's here. That's important to me. And nobody needs me to do anything. So I'm here for no reason. Wasting time. I could have stayed at home. Real is real. But it's whatever. Y'all see how my hair looked this morning? Y'all see how it look now? Okay, y'all. So right now I'm in my old apartment. I finished moving everything, well, majority everything. I'm gonna give you all a tour. So I had a roommate. I'm gonna give you all a tour of half of the apartment, but I can't give you a tour of the whole apartment because my roommate stuff is still on the other side and I just want to respect her space. So the only thing I'm not gonna be showing y'all is the laundry room and the kitchen and her room and her bathroom. But I'm gonna show y'all the living room, my bathroom, and yeah. Only thing I gotta do is vacuum my side and I'm done moving out. Oh, and I have a mirror and I'm done moving out. So this is the front door. Let me flip the camera actually. Front door, and then this was the living room. And we had a balcony with a closet on the balcony. I'm showing y'all all this because I honestly don't give a fuck. I don't live here no more. Closet on the balcony, which I put all like my army gear and shit in. And then when you walk in, it was my room. This was my room. See, I still got my mirror. This was my room though. I had this mirror. I had the master bedroom. I had one closet, and then this is my bathroom. And I had another closet. So I had two closets, and then I had the linen closet, I think you would call it. I don't know. I had a tub and then mirror, sink. Yeah, this is my room. I liked it, but it's time for a change. Yeah. Sorry I couldn't really show the other half of the house, but like I said, I'm respecting her space and her privacy and stuff. And then the kitchen is just like, that part is just a hot mess. That's why I'm not showing that part. So yeah, I'ma holla at y'all whenever. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm finna end it off here. I'm officially moved into my new apartment. It's not like fully furnished or anything, but I'm like all the way moved in type shit. But I'm gonna end this video off here. So yeah, I'm gonna holla at y'all in my next video. Bye.